Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathelite. In this video, we are going to learn an easy way to remember standard values of trigonometric ratios. Okay, there are 5 values of trigonometric ratios that we always need to remember. That is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. ठीक है, 5 values है 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So there are 3 steps to remember these values very easily. Alright. So first हो जाएगा sin theta. We always begin with sin theta. Okay. So first step is writing down 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let me divide this into columns. Alright. First step 0 to 4 लिख दिया. Second step हो जाएगा dividing each value by 4. I'm writing each value on the left. There's a reason, you will come to know. ठीक है, ये 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4 and 4/4 हो गया. Now इसका जो values आता है, we'll take square root of these values. So first step, writing down 0 to 4. Second step is dividing each value by 4 and third step is to find the square root of the values. ठीक है, 0/4 is 0 and 0 का square root is 0 only, so the answer is 0. Alright. 1/4 मैं इसको reduce नहीं कर सकती हूँ, so it will remain as it is. Now इसका square root find करते हैं. Numerator 1 है, 1 का square root is 1 and 4 का square root हो जाएगा 2. ठीक है, so it is 1/2. 2/4 is basically 1/2. All right. So 1 का square root हो गया 1 and 2 का square root हो गया √2. 3/4 इसको reduce नहीं कर सकते हैं, so ये भी as it is ही रहेगा. Now इसका square root find करते हैं. 3 का square root is √3 and 4 का square root is 2. 4/4 gives 1. 1 का square root is 1. Let me explain it to you once more. First step हम लोग ने 0 to 4 लिखा. Second step में we divided each one by 4. ठीक है, and third step में we are finding the square root of the values. So 0/4 is 0, 0 का square root is 0. 1/4 is as it will remain as it is because इसको reduce नहीं कर सकते हैं. 1 का square root is 1 and 4 का square root is 2. 2/4 we can reduce it to 1/2. So 1/2, 1 का square root is 1 and 2 का square root is √2. 3/4 को reduce नहीं कर सकते, it will remain as it is. 3 का square root is √3 and 4 का square root is 2. 4/4 को reduce कर सकते, it is 1. 1 का square root is 1. Alright. Now it is very easy. एक बार sin थीटा मिल गया तो बाकी सब फाइंड करना is very very easy. cos थीटा हम लोग राइट टू लेफ्ट जाएंगे. ठीक है, दैट इज cos थीटा का वैल्यू यहाँ पे 1 आ जाएगा. √3/2, 1/√2, 1/2 and 0. That is we are going right to left. All right. So easy to remember. Next is tan theta. ठीक है, tan is sin theta upon cos theta. 0/1 will be 0. Okay. 1/2 divided by √3/2. It gives 1/√3. 1/√3 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, 2 कैंसिल हो जाता है. 1/√2/1/√2. √2 कैंसिल हो जाता है. 1/1 gives 1. √3/2/1/2. 2 gets cancelled. √3/1 is nothing but √3. 1/0. Now this is little tricky. 1/0. 0 into anything is always 0. So 1 कहाँ से आएगा? So this is actually infinite. Okay, infinity वाला value आता है. So we write it as not defined. Okay. Now coming to cot theta. cot थीटा अगेन हम लोग राइट टू लेफ्ट जाएंगे tan थीटा का. सो ये नॉट डिफाइंड हो जाएगा. √3, next value is 1, next is 1 upon √3 and next is 0. Now let us cross check. ठीक है, cot theta is cos upon sin, तो 1 upon 0 हो जाएगा. 1 upon 0 we just learned it is not defined. √3 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2, 2 कैंसिल हो जाता है. √3 upon 1 is √3. 1 upon √2 upon 1 upon √2, 1 आ जाएगा आंसर. 1 upon 2 upon √3 upon 2, 2 gets cancelled, 1 upon √3. Next is 0 upon 1, so it gives 0. So we cross verified and our values are correct. Next is cosec theta. ठीक है, cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. So 1 upon 0, 1 upon 0 again it is not defined. All right. 1 upon 2, तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा 2. 1 upon √2 का रेसिप्रोकल इज √2. इसका रेसिप्रोकल इज 2 upon √3. वी आर जस्ट इंटरचेंजिंग न्यूमरेटर्स एंड डिनोमिनेटर्स. ये हो जाएगा 1 upon 1, तो दैट इज बेसिकली 1. ओके, सो कॉसेक थीटा का भी वैल्यूज हम लोग को मिल गया. नाउ सेक थीटा, इट अगेन गोज राइट टू लेफ्ट. ठीक है, सो ये हो जाएगा 1, 2 upon √3, √2, 2 and not defined. Now if you don't believe me, let us cross check. cos का रेसिप्रोकल होता है, 1 upon 1 gives 1. ये हो जाना चाहिए 2 upon √3. ठीक है, this is √2, we got it. Next is 1 upon 2, तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल 2 हो गया. Now 0, 1 upon 0 क्या हो जाएगा? Not defined. So our values are correct. So you can remember the values of sin, cos, tan, cot, cosec and sec only by remembering 3 steps. Okay.